In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp content displayed right inside a Notion page so you can reference tasks and docs without switching tabs. Start by heading to notion.com and signing in. On the login screen, choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. Once you're in, create a fresh place for the embed. Click Add a Page in your workspace and give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Now switch over to ClickUp. Open the specific space, folder, or Team Docs area you want to show inside Notion. This should be the exact content you want people to view at a glance. Next, find the three dots, or the More menu, near the name of that folder or doc. Open it and choose Sharing and Permissions. Here's the key step for embedding. Toggle on Share Link with anyone. This makes a public, view-only link that Notion can display. Be intentional about what you're sharing. Only enable this for content you're comfortable exposing via a public link. When that's on, click Copy Public Link so it's saved to your clipboard. Head back to your Notion page. Under the page title, type /embed to pull up Notion's embed block, then click Embed. Paste the ClickUp link you just copied and confirm by selecting Embed Link. After a moment, your ClickUp content should load right on the page. You can now interact with it as a live embed, which is great for quick reviews during meetings or in documentation hubs. Finish by adjusting the layout so it looks clean. Click the embed and drag the handles to resize it to a comfortable width and height. Make it wide enough to avoid horizontal scrolling, but leave breathing room for any notes or context you might add around it. If the embed doesn't appear, double check that the Share Link with Anyone toggle in ClickUp is still on and that you copied the correct link. Sometimes a quick page refresh helps, and when you no longer need the public view, you can return to ClickUp and turn that toggle off to revoke access. That's it. You opened Notion, created a page, prepared a public link in ClickUp, embedded it with the /embed command, and sized it for a polished finish. You now have a seamless bridge between your ClickUp work and your Notion workspace.